Hello mga ka-UVG, ako ulit. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang ganap. Okay, so siya nga po pala, maraming salamat po sa ating mga new subscriber dyan, sa mga nag-comment, nag-like. Thank you so much po. Sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, no? Okay? So, tingnan natin. Para po sa mga makaka-resonate, alam nyo na pong galawan. Thank you so much in advance. So, tingnan natin. Anong ganap sa ating mga ka-UVG collective? Sana po ay naririnig. Let's see. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay, so use your own discernment po. Okay, so tingnan natin kung anong ganap. Or let's just say timeless read. Kung kailan nyo marireceive ang message na to, tingnan natin. So, yeah. Oh, ang galing. Meron kang 4 of Wands, Virgo. 4 of Wands, stability, celebration, mission accomplished, family, foundation. The Sun card, ang saya naman. Sun card, puro upright. And the King of Pentacles. Okay, as I said kanina, wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay, maaaring babae kang nanonood nito, ini-embody mo ang King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles is entrepreneurial mindset. Okay, for some of you, there's someone coming in. Pero kung ikaw ang Virgo na stable ang pamilya, it's getting more stronger and stronger. It's getting more happier, Virgo. Okay. Para naman po sa mga Virgo single, someone wants to commit. Someone sees you as or perceive you as wifey or husband material. Okay. You make these persons happy. Persons. Person. Dami naman ng persons. So, yeah, Virgo. But the 3 cards, 4 of Wands is all about foundation, accomplishment, celebration, okay, family, okay. The Sun card is the happiest card in the deck. So, with the King of Pentacles is being here, someone here is seeing the future with you. Or maybe if you are the Virgo, kung ikaw ang Virgo na may family na, ready to build something or extension, home extension, or vacation, something in that line. To make all the family happy. Okay. Kasiyahan, celebration here. Okay, but if you are the Virgo na single, I think someone sees you as a wifey or husband material, a happy-go-lucky, free-spirited soul. Okay, very entrepreneurial mindset here. With the King of Pentacles. And the Moon Guard. This is a secret. We'll see. Tingnan natin. Meron kang secret dito, hidden. Clarify natin each card, okay? Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Sa mga makaka-resonate naman, thank you po in advance. And at the same time, pwede din tong 3 cards na to na you want to build something here, Virgo. And this will make you happy for sure. Okay. Meron kang gustong i-build na foundation dito. Okay. Baka nasa process ka na or ongoing or nasa vision. Okay. Basta the idea of having a stable foundation long term. Okay, Virgo? Or maybe you're keeping this a secret na baka gusto mong magpatayo ng sarili mong hideout or sarili mong lungga, should I say? Okay. That will make you happy. Okay. Or um, gusto mong magpagawa ng foundation for everyone na maka-benefits, lalo na yung mga loved ones mo. Okay, Virgo. And you want to keep it a secret. Tatlong scenario. Okay, so tingnan natin, clarify natin each card. Sensya na, nabubulol ako. Okay, so clarify natin each card. Clarify the Four of Wands for my collective. You have the Page of Wands. The Strength card. Okay. The Justice card. And the Two of Swords. Okay. Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, meron kang gustong bigyan ng stability. Okay. Merong message dito, okay, na ikaw ang magbibigay ng justice. For some of you na hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay. Meron kang gustong providean dito, Virgo. Okay. Family, relative, sibling, coworker, I don't know, pero meron ka dito ang gustong pundasyonan. Okay, pero nagdadalawang isip ka with the Two of Swords. Malakas dito ang message na someone needs a foundation or merong kailangan shelter or I don't know, with the Justice card, humihingi ng hustisya to. I mean, humihingi ng grabe hustisya. Grabe naman. Hindi naman ganun kalalim. I mean, humihingi ng tulong, Virgo, or something. Clarify more. Eight of Pentacles, yeah. And you're working hard on it, Virgo. Maybe this is a coworker, okay? Wanting you to, basta may hinihingi pabor dito na ikaw ang makakapagbigay ng solusyon, okay? May gustong humingi ng pabor kasi sometimes ang Four of Wands foundation, mission accomplished, family, circle, community, basta masaya, celebration, okay? Pero there is someone communication coming in with the Page of Wands together with the Strength card. Okay, malakas ang ano nito, loob. Okay, na mag-communicate regarding sa ano, I think this person lalapit sa iyo because alam mo kung paano solusyonan. And together with the Two of Swords, I think skeptical ka ng konti. Okay, you are focused on your work here, Pentacles, savings, Virgo, on your creativity. If this is a workplace, someone may gustong humingi ng tulong mo na alam na ikaw lang makakasolusyon or ikaw lang ang makakagawa. If this is a family member or family siblings or sabihin anak or family, basta pamilya mo or mga kapatid mo, family department, should I say, kailangan mong may gawang ka ng pundasyon, okay. Basta merong nagko-communicate sa'yo dito na nagsasabi na kung ano sitwasyon nila, okay, na gusto na ikaw ang mag-create ng foundation. Hindi ko alam kung nagawan mo na sila ng shelter or ewan ko, basta about home. Okay. So, yan ang nakikita ko sa first row. I think, sa mission na completion nandito, nakakalahati ka na or baka nasa plano ka pa lang kasi with the Two of Swords is being here. Hindi mo alam kung hindi ka pa nakapag-decide. Okay. So, you are focusing on your work while thinking about it kasi wala namang ibang gagawa ata. Okay. So, tignan natin. Sa mga hindi pa maka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, tingnan natin the Sun Guard. Mahina ba boses ko, Virgo? Pasensya ka na kasi, you know, um, hindi ako nag-iisa dito. Ayan nyo, sa susunod, mag-iisa na ako. So, the Sun card, Four of Swords, Ace of Wands, Queen of Wands, Four of Wands ulit, Four of Wands, Virgo. Slowly but surely. Okay. I think meron ka dito, you're keeping a secret on something you want to create here. Meron kang gustong bilhing property or meron kang gustong bilhing something here, Virgo business. Gusto mo magsimula. Okay. But with the Queen of Wands, Ace of Wands, Queen of Wands, and the Four of Wands, kinontemplate mo to. And I think nafe-feel mo na sa ugat mo, nafe-feel mo na in your veins, you can smell it, naaamoy mo na, you can see it, nakikita mo na sa vision mo, nafe-feel mo na, okay. So with the Four of Swords, this is praying, hoping, I think, happy card, oh. Sun card, Four of Wands, Ace of Wands. This is definitely a new beginning for you, Virgo. Okay. Kung ano man ang mga desisyon na or mga plano mo, future goals mo, Virgo, future makikinabang ang mga kapu-apuhan mo, I think it's gonna work out, Virgo, whatever it is na kung ano man ang binivision mo, magtatagumpay ka dito, dalawa na ang Four of Wands mo eh. Just continue what you are doing kasi with the Queen of Wands, talagang motivated na motivated kang gawin. I think nasa timeline ka na ngayon kasi every 12 years ang cycle eh. Every 12 years. So, I think this is your timeline. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Masaya ka dito or sasaya ka or magiging masaya ka. Fruits of your labor, tears of joy, Virgo. Okay, nakikita ko rin dito kasi pinagdasal mo, minanifest mo, kinontemplate mo. You are divinely guided to do something here or maybe matatapos na. Okay. And makikita mo na yung result ng pinagpaguran mo dito. Okay, Virgo, or maybe nasa process ka pa lang, it depends sa sitwasyon, but basta ang ending niyan, ang end of goal niyan is like very positive. Makikinabang ang apu-apuhan. Okay, slowly lang, slowly and secretive, slowly but surely, step by step, little by little. Yun ang strategy mo dito. You're focusing on your work, nakikinig ka sa mga hinaing, meron kang gustong bigyan ng hustisya dito. I mean, you are the justice here, ikaw lang ang makakagawa ng kung ano man ang kino-communicate mo nito sa'yo, suporta or whatsoever, but this is close to your heart, Virgo. Okay, or if this is a workplace, I think, pero nagdadalawang isip ka pa rin dito eh. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ka nagdadalawang isip. Baka may plano ka kasing iba. Okay. You know what I mean, Virgo? O meron ka lang gustong patunayan dito when it regards to workplace. Kaya nagdadalawang isip ka. Okay. So, tingnan natin, Virgo. Basta yun ang nakikita ko dito. Wala na akong sasabihin pa. Point blank period. This is prosperity lies ahead. This is, kung hindi mo pa nakikita, makikita mo na. Okay. The fruits of your labor, tears of joy. Basta yung energy ng motivation mo is i-maintain mo lang. Okay. Trust the process here. Alam mong nag-contemplate ka, nagdasal ka, nakita mo, naamoy mo, naramdaman mo, nakita mo yung sarili mo sa vision mo. So, it's yours. So be it. So be, ang tigas. So be it. So be it. Yun ang ano mo dito, ano ng universe or ng divine sa'yo. Slowly but surely, okay. This is kokonti lang ang nakakaalam. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang King of Pentacles. Clarify the King of Pentacles for my Virgo, please. Knight of Swords, communication, Virgo. Fast action, communication. Communication nga, fast action. Merong gustong mag-rush in dito, Virgo. Gusto makipag-usap sa'yo regarding saan? Regarding saan? Gustong mag-take action dito, Virgo. Okay. Three of Pentacles, gustong makipag-collaborate sa'yo. With the Lover's card. But I think this person, kung sino man to, either ikaw yan, gusto mong makipag-usap sa someone, or merong gustong makipag-usap sa'yo regarding sa partnership, Virgo. Okay. Regarding sa partnership, the Lover's card is a decision making. Okay. Three of Swords. I think this is nag-i-spy to sa'yo. You have a secret admirer here, Virgo, or let's just say hindi si baka. Kasi meron kang Lover's card, pero meron ka ding spying card, Page of Swords, internet, scrolling, stalking, Virgo. Studying something, merong nag-i-study sa'yo dito. Gusto makipag-collaborate, gusto makipag-team up, but at the same time with the 3-3, someone will going to be heartbroken, or you're going to be heartbroken, or someone, okay. Pero, meron kang spy card, At saka hangman, meron ditong delay. Pero, ang hangman kasi, meron siyang halo. Naka-stuck siya on something, hindi siya makagalaw. Okay, either ikaw or someone. Pero someone dito gusto makipag-collaborate, gusto mag-take action sa'yo, gusto makipag-usap, gusto makipag-communicate. Okay. Yun ang nakikita ko, pero I think hindi magawa with the Three of Swords is being here. So this person is watching you from afar with the secret card, and this person is stuck on the situation. But this person, kung sino man tong person na to, kita niya, meron siyang insight. When it comes to the situation. Ang King of Pentacles po is, alam niya kung anong gusto niya. Okay. Alam niya kung anong gusto niya, at saka ang King of Pentacles is very patient. Okay, mahaba ang pasensya ng King of Pentacles. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, okay? So, merong gusto makipag-communicate sa'yo dito, gusto makipag-collaborate sa'yo dito. I think this person is putting you on the pudding. Putting you on the pedestal. Mataas ang paningin nito sa'yo, or parang meron siyang believe sa when it comes to your work. Okay. Kung gaano ka ka-committed sa trabaho. Okay. Together with the Lover's card, I think meron decision making together with the Three of Swords. Or baka this person is already with someone, or may someone, but all of a sudden, kasi meron tayong the Lovers so ibig sabihin decision making. And this person with the spying card here, studying, or I don't know, something in that line, Virgo. Okay, sa mga hindi po maka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? King of Wands. Okay. So, Queen and King of Wands. May nag-vision sa'yo dito, Virgo, na star card, hoping. May nag-envision sa'yo dito, Virgo, na you will be a great couple by any chance, kung magkakaroon ng chance, okay? But with the two of the Lovers is being here, I think merong decision making na heavy dito. Okay, kasi ang King of Pentacles is um, a very committed person din. Okay, so meron kang King of Wands, meron kang, I think there is someone here na already tied up. Okay, dealing with another person, pero but when you nung dumating ka, or this person nakilala ka, basta may nag-study sa'yo dito with the Page of Swords. Okay. Yun na nakikita ko dito, Virgo, sa third row. Sana naman ay naka-resonate. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice na kayo, VG. Tingnan natin kung anong advice. What is the advice for my Virgo? Sana naman po ay naririnig ako, no? So, tingnan natin. Hoping. Umaasa. Umaasa. Kung makikita mo tong King of Wands, nakatingin, basta spying something. Merong heartbroken dito, 33, maybe significant. Okay. Tatlo tao dito, Queen, ah, King of Wands, Queen of Wands, at saka King of Pentacles. Clarify the, sunok lang. Sorry. Sorry lang. Merong mga pumapasok sa isip ko eh. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang advice. Advice, please. Your commitment is being tested, Virgo. Okay. Meditate and contemplate. I think ginagawa mo na with the Four of Swords. So, okay, here. I think yun ang ginagawa mo. Kaya nagkaroon ka ng very positive here. Okay. The answer you need are coming. Okay, sana naman ay nakita. So, yun ang advice sa'yo, Virgo. Bottom of the deck, work through your fears. Okay. So, Virgo, the more na nagme-meditate at nagko-contemplate ka, the more na nakikita mo yung liwanag ng dadaanan mo. Okay, hindi siya foggy. So, do what you're doing, Virgo. Continue. And you need to work through your fears. Fears is false experience appearing action. Tama ba? Eh, false F false experience appearing real. Oo pala. So, work through your fears, Virgo. So, yun lang ang nakita ko dito. Tingnan natin kung anong angel message number mo. Angel message number for my Virgo. Tingnan natin kung anong angel message mo. Google mo siya, baka makaresonate sa iyong sitwasyon, workings. Okay, baka makarelate ka sa mensahe ng mga gabay mo. Okay, so tingnan natin. Meron ka ditong Jack, ancestor mo. Meron kang 10. Meron kang King. Meron kang 10 to 9. So, Virgo, Google mo siya, 10 to 9. Meron ditong mga nag-pass away na middle age at saka nasa age. Okay. King is like mga 50s, 60s, something like that. Ang Jack naman is like mga 40s, 30s, something in that line. Okay, so meron kang mensahe dito, Virgo. Baka makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. 10 to 9. Okay, angel message number 10 to 9. So, Virgo, this is what I have for you. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.